understand how to compute distance between 2 points using Python software. In this calculation, we have used basic equation of Euclidean distance formula, that is under root of x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square, where x1 and x2 and y1 y2 are the coordinates of respective first and second point. This is the coding to compute distance between 2 points. Here input function is used, as we already know that input is used and output gives type string, so we have converted to a float for numbering purpose for all the points. Then after, distance d is calculated with the help of the described equation. x2 minus x1 square, this is the power of operation that we will discuss in the arithmetic operator module. y2 minus y1 square, and there is a square root under root, that is 1 by 2, 0.5. Now finally we print as 0. So we try to run this program in Jupyter Notebook. After run, so first we enter x1 value, then enter y1 value, then x2 value and y2 value. Its result shown is 7.07. You can check the calculation of this particular formula. So that is the way we can able to complete this practical. In this practical, we try to understand how to compute distance between 2 points using Euclidean distance formula.